Welcome to DeFi. So, how do you buy? Easy. Step 1. Get a wallet. Download a crypto wallet and create an account. Our favorite is Trust Wallet. Be sure to save the super secret password you're given. It holds all access to your crypto in case you have to switch devices or reinstall Trust Wallet. And never, I mean never, give your passphrase to anybody, especially not Nigerian princes. Step 2. Load up BNB. Florida Man token lives on the Binance Smart Chain network, so you'll need to use BNB to swap for FMAN. If you're familiar with sending crypto, you can easily purchase BNB at an exchange such as Binance, Crypto.com, or Nexo and send it to your wallet BNB address. You'll then swap that BNB for Smart Chain BNB. But to make things even easier, you can buy Smart Chain BNB directly in Trust Wallet. Just keep in mind that buying directly will take a short time to process, and you may have to contact your bank to get the transaction approved. Step 3. Buy. Okay, you've loaded your BNB and you're ready to spend it. The easiest method is also the sweetest smelling. Go to poocoin.app and avoid the crappy ads to connect your wallet. Be sure to choose Wallet Connect and then select the trust icon to link your wallet. Congratulations, you're now officially in the DeFi space. In here, all crypto tokens operate via smart contracts, and you'll want to double check you're buying the right one. Thankfully, it's easy. Just type in FMAN in the search bar and cross-check that it matches the official FMAN smart contract. Next, select Trade and enter the amount of BNB you'd like to swap for FMAN. I recommend avoiding using max amounts, since you'll also have to pay a transaction fee for every swap. Finally, select Swap and approve the transaction within Trust Wallet. If you have an error, disable auto slippage and manually type 12, maybe 15%. Once the contract processes, you'll officially own FMAN. That's it. Simple and easy, am I right? The only other thing left to do is add the FMAN token to your Trust Wallet for real-time balance updates. Simply go to the top right settings and paste the smart contract to enable it and watch it move. Remember, there are many ways to buy crypto on the DeFi. And if you run into any issues, just jump on our official Telegram group and the team will gladly help. It may seem like a lot at first, but after a couple attempts, you'll be cranking it out in no time at all. Once again, welcome to the Florida Man community.